If you want to create another user profile on Redmi Note 15, start by opening the settings, and right now scroll down and navigate into the additional settings. Over here, you'll have to go into the option called users. And here, as you can see, we can add guest or add user. So we can pick one of the following option, click next, and here we can set name for a new user by using keyboard, and also we can add the photo by taking photo right now or picking some photos from gallery. And if you want to apply every changes, you have to click here on the right upper corner. Now just wait for this creation process. Here we can switch to the new user by clicking over here. We can also turn on the phone calls and messages, and we are also able to delete the user. Now as you can see, we can find the users and we can add only 2 users, but we can still use the guest account. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful.